Is your website losing customers without you even realizing it? Slow sales, high bounce rates, and low engagement often come down to simple web design mistakes. In this video, we'll reveal 5 common design errors that are quietly killing your sales and how to fix them fast. Mistake 1. Slow loading speed. In today's fast-paced digital world, users expect websites to load almost instantly. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, most visitors will simply leave and never come back. Mistake 2. Poor mobile experience. A poor mobile experience. More than half of all web traffic now comes from smartphones, yet many businesses still design with only desktop users in mind. A clunky mobile interface, tiny buttons, or text that's hard to read will push your visitors away in seconds. Mistake 3. Cluttered layout. A homepage packed with too much text, too many ads, or endless pop-ups can make your site feel chaotic and untrustworthy. Instead, focus on clean, simple layouts with plenty of white space. Mistake 4. Weak calls to action. Even if your site looks great, it won't convert if users don't know what to do next. A strong CTA should be clear, visible, and guide your audience to their next step. Use action-oriented language like "Get started" or "Shop now." Mistake 5. Outdated visuals. Finally, let's talk about first impressions. An outdated design, poor quality graphics, or generic stock images can make your brand look unprofessional. Use high-quality images, consistent colors, and a layout that feels fresh and current. A polished, modern look builds trust and encourages visitors to stay longer. If your website looks great but sales are flat, could your design be killing your business? Fix these mistakes to boost sales and user experience. Subscribe to DigiLink for more website and digital marketing tips.